This is the SEO Heist. It's one of the newest tools available on the Autoblogger. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up for a free WordPress.com website. And I'll also show you a few cool tips along the way. All right, let's get started. For those who already have accounts with the Autoblogger, feel free to skip ahead in the video to when we set up the WordPress.com website. For everyone who is new, you're going to go to autoblogger.app and sign up for an account. So I need your name. This is also going to be your author or poster name, your best email address, create a password, re-enter the password, and then click sign up. When you first sign up, it's going to bring you to the settings page. We need 2 sets of API keys in order to run the SEO Heist feature. First, I need your OpenAI secret key. To get that, head on over to platform.openai.com. Hover over the left side, we're going to click API keys, then create new secret key. I'll call this WordPress.com, click create secret key, copy this key, go back into your settings and paste it in. Then click start to test the OpenAI connection. It's going to run through GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT-4, DALL-E 2, and DALL-E 3. Make sure everything works correctly. Everything is good. We're going to get a check mark in this button. Now I have these little watch video buttons on each page in the Autoblogger. If you're having problems setting anything up, integrating with any of the websites that we offer, click to watch these videos. They're very short tutorials. It goes right to the point, and I hope these will help troubleshoot the most common issues. All right, next, scroll down. We need to set up Stable Diffusion 3. So we need a Dream Studio API key. I'm going to click this hyperlink. It takes me over to this page. You need to purchase some credits for the account. It says $10 for 1,000 credits. That gets you about 5,000 images. We generate an image per article, so this will buy you 5,000 articles, an amazing deal. And once you purchase credits, you're going to click the plus button right here, confirm. It creates a new API key. I'm going to copy this key, click confirm again, go over to my settings and paste it into the input box. Then I can click start to test the connection, and bingo, we're all good. There's the check mark again. Next, because we have a WordPress.com website, I'm going to click the WordPress tab, and it gives us 2 options, the WordPress.org, and then scrolling down a bit, you get the WordPress.com integration. Now, the WordPress.com integration is actually the easiest integration in the Autoblogger. We just have to name our website within the Autoblogger. This is for our internal use to see which website we have connected. It can be whatever you want. I'm going to call it Business Idea Farm. Then I'm going to click Authorize. It's going to bring us to this WordPress authorization page. I'm going to click Approve. It sends us back to this website. I need you to wait 5 to 10 seconds. I'm doing some things in the back end. Boom, there we go. We get a notification. Your WordPress.com website has been integrated successfully. I can click OK. And if I scroll down a bit, it shows my newest website added down here. Next, go to the subscription tab, click subscribe, and we just have one plan. I tried to make it as cheap as possible and settled on $9 per month. This gives you unlimited usage, unlimited websites added. So if you're an agency, you can add multiple websites. If you own a bunch of websites yourself, you can add them all to the Autoblogger under one subscription. So join up. I got a bunch of cool features in the pipeline coming for this app. The plan is to automate all of your business content posting needs. Okay, once everything has gone through and you have an active subscription, it'll land you back on the settings page. You can click this icon in the top left corner. Then we're going to click SEO Heist. By default, it's going to auto-select that last website that you added. And we have a few settings that we need to input in order to run this SEO Heist on our free WordPress.com website. But before we do that, let me quickly explain what an SEO Heist is. I wrote steal your competitors' traffic by writing original articles with the same article title and keywords. The theory is we enter an RSS feed of our competitor, so let's say of their blog, and then every time they post a new article, we take that title of the article and write our own about the same topic. Every time they post an article, we post one as well. Every time they get organic traffic, we take some of that organic traffic as well. This is a great way to keep up with your top competitors, and it's an important step to take so that you don't fall behind. Writing content is tough. You already wear hundreds of hats in your business, so why not automate that process? It's like you have your own set of robot workers monitoring their site, reading their blogs, writing the articles for you, and then posting them on your behalf. Now, we want to set if we want these new articles to be published or draft. Unchecking this toggle will mean draft. Checking it will mean published. Next, we need to choose our text model. We have GPT-4 Turbo and GPT 3.5 Turbo. GPT 3.5 Turbo is cheaper, but we're talking pennies here anyway, so I'm going to select GPT-4 Turbo. Next, we choose our language. I'm going to choose English. Then we can write a custom text prompt. This is exactly what I use in the backend to write your articles. By default, I give you a basic text prompt. You can add to this as you wish. For example, I'm going to add write in a witty, funny tone. So hopefully this article is a little humorous. Then we can choose to input a link URL and link text at the end of the article. This is completely optional. A link URL would be something like espn.com, and the link text is whatever is hyperlinked. For example, I could write check the latest sports scores, and then at the end of the article, that text would be hyperlinked to espn.com. You can use this for internal linking, for external linking, for affiliate links, links to your product pages on Shopify. Whatever you choose, this is an option. And then we have to add an RSS feed URL for our competitor. To get that, I like to go to rssfinder.app. It's a completely free website where you input your competitor's URL, and then it checks to see if there is an RSS feed for that blog. Or we can enter keywords. I'm going to write something like TechCrunch, very popular website, and we see it has the real estate TechCrunch page, automotive section, SaaS section, computer vision, drones. They seem to have a ton of topics that they write about, and each of those topics has its own feed. But I'm going to take this drones feed, I'm going to click copy URL, go back into the SEO Heist tool, paste in that URL, then click the test button. And if this is a valid RSS feed, it's going to show 5 of the most recent articles. We got some very complicated language here. If you know about drones, this probably makes sense to you. But I'm seeing some valid titles, which means this RSS feed URL will work. And then I can click Start Heist. We get a notification that says an SEO heist has been scheduled. Please check your website to see the results. I'm going to click OK. Then if I go over to workflows, I can see our most recent workflow. It's an SEO heist. I can click the info button, view the workflow ID, the website that we're running this for, some other parameters that we chose, the heist feed URL, and the text prompt that we've used. The SEO Heist is a tool that you can set it and forget it. It's going to run one time daily forever until you cancel it. And it only writes a new article if your competitor has posted a new article. So you don't have to worry about a thing. This AI agent will work on your behalf until you fire it. Now for my WordPress.com dashboard, I can go over to posts, and there's our brand new post 4 minutes ago. I'm going to click on it. Then click View Post. First, the URL slug was set as the article title. That's good for SEO. This is what it created here. It generated an image with Stable Diffusion 3. And then we have a full, complete, original article about the exact same topic. If you want to use the SEO Heist feature for yourself, come check it out at autoblogger.app. A link is going to be in the description below. I also have an online course that teaches how to make AI apps like this SEO Heist tool. And you can get this at westgpt.mykajabi.com. A link is also going to be in the description. And if you like this video, I put 2 more on the screen right now. One is my most recent upload, and the other is best suited for you. Give one of those a click for me, give it a watch, and I'll see you in there. Peace.